shit. Yo, we got nominated for, oh shit, the Pod Excellence Awards. Yo, we got nominated for 2 of these joints. Oh shit. Yo, I gotta hit my man Monk Money right now. What the fuck?
Big dog. What up, though, big dog?
Yo, Monk Money, dog. You ain't gonna believe this, bro. We just got nominated for 2 podcast awards, bro. 2, dog.
Oh, yeah?
Man, hell yeah. That shit crazy. I just got the notification, dog. 2 of them. Yo, we gotta go to Charlotte in less than a month, dog. For real.
What?
Man, hell yeah. Shit crazy. I just got the notification, bro. Yo, we gotta go to Charlotte, man, and try to win these joints for real.
Hell yeah.
Dog, I know, right? Yo, this shit about to be crazy. For real.
Alright, I'm at work. I'll call you right back.
Yo, word. No doubt, man. Get back. But I'm gonna holler at you later, bro. For sure.
Alright.
Yo, that nigga sound geeked as hell, man. He probably in that bitch dancing or some stupid shit. Yo, let me hit Angry Man, dog. He gonna be tripping. Let me hit up Angry Man and see what he say about this shit.
What up, though?
Angry Man, what up, cuz?
Shit, plantation was poppin'.
Bruh, you ain't gonna believe this shit, dog. Yo, we just straight up got nominated for 2 podcast awards, bruh. The Pod Excellence Awards. Them joints is in Carolina, bruh. Charlotte or some shit, for real.
Say what?
2 podcast awards, bruh. We got nominated for 2 podcast awards for our shit, bruh. E-Block Radio is out here, bruh. We going to Charlotte, cuz, for real.
Nigga, so?
The fuck? Nigga, you tripping.
You got nominated.
Yeah, dog, I said we got nominated, bruh. Shit, for 2 awards.
For what?
2 awards, bruh. I ain't gonna tell you no more, man. How many times I gotta keep saying that shit, bruh? 2 awards. We got, nigga, we nominated, dog. We can win.
So what? Nigga, we ain't gonna win shit. Bye.
Hello? Hello? Dog. This nigga be tripping, bro. Yo, this crazy, bro. This sound like time for a little small celebration. So I see it. Time to get it on. Wake and Bake Show is taking the world over, you feel me?